Hey peeps, in today's video we'll be fixing the 65W Monport Reno Pro Laser Engraver. This laser was dropped when it was being sent to a customer, so Monport had it sent to us to fix up. Fortunately, there was no internal damage, so we'll be replacing the broken acrylic panels with alternatives Monport sent to us, and we'll be fixing the dents in the frame of the machine. If you're wanting a complete guide on how to set up this laser, we have a different video on that. Also, if you want 10% off Monport machines, you can use our code Anonymous10 at checkout. Thank you so much to Monport for sending us this laser. We think that the laser was hit on this corner as everything was shifted the other way, including the acrylic covering at the top. Additionally, this side has most of the damage. On the other side, the acrylic panel is very broken and there's a gap in the corner that we'll have to fix. Now let's go ahead and unpack this laser. So the rails guiding this laser still seem to be in good condition, so that's a good sign. Next, we need to take everything apart so we can fix and exchange the pieces of this laser. We're now going to carefully hammer the dents in the metal frame to remove them. We're now going to move the limit switch and the frame surrounding it up. The major dents are now taken care of, so we'll secure the pieces again. Additionally, while the sides weren't attached, we adjusted the belt tensions as well as checked our mirrors. We showed you how you can check and adjust the mirrors in our previous Reno video if you're interested. Since the acrylic cover was dramatically shifted, we moved it back into place by loosening the screws that attached it to the machine. It's now time to add our replacement acrylic panels, which unfortunately one of them was broken at the corner. The lens was a little hazy, so we cleaned it off with some isopropyl alcohol. Now that we've repaired what we could, we're going to test out this laser's capabilities to make sure it still works okay. We'll be using the same design that we tested on our other Reno that was in perfect condition. The materials were engraved and cut out and look very similar to the results we got from our other laser. Finally, we want to try cutting our own replacement acrylic panel part for our machine.
So there you have it. We have this laser put back together. Really, this wasn't that difficult to do. The first step, of course, was to kind of take everything apart and assess the damage. Once we saw that the frame of the laser gantry wasn't compromised, it was just the external framing for the cosmetics on the outside. It was pretty easy to kind of bend that back into shape and get this laser square again, and then we could attach panel. Unfortunately, the replacement acrylic panel that Monport sent us was also cracked, so obviously a weak point with this laser. Those screws and screw holes on the outside acrylic are really close to the edge, which make it pretty brittle. I even noticed on my replacement cut there that those holes are really close to the end and will probably break if, you know, hit the wrong way. That being said, I think it's super cool that we were able to use this laser to fix itself. Obviously, this isn't going to be the final product. We just don't have the proper tinted and thickness of acrylic to replace the paneling on top, but more of a proof of concept. We were able to cut a replacement piece of acrylic to get the exact shape necessary with just a little bit of modeling and LightBurn. So overall, this was a pretty easy project to get this laser back in working condition and back into looking like a proper Reno machine. So consensus is, it is possible to fix your Reno if dropped in transport. Obviously, you don't want that to happen, but when push comes to shove, this laser can absolutely fix itself, which is kind of cool.
Once again, thank you so much to Monport for sending us the Reno Laser Engravers. If you're interested in a Monport machine, you can use our code Anonymous10 for 10% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.